here's the thing. You're going to be like going, where have you been? I'm going to tell you I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes sitting here. I've been very, very busy. So we're going to like film them back to back, and I will edit them and get them up as fast as possible. I still have some from last month to edit. So without further ado, this is the witch casket for September. Don't at my face. I haven't got October's yet. This I actually I've had to pay more to have it shipped to me. This is a UK subscription. I'm from the States, so I pay $45 to have it shipped to me. It usually has really great stuff, so we're going to open it up. So it looks like it has like mystic or like ice scrying palmistry. It's a really pretty photo. They draw them and they put them in each box. So that's nice. So, wow. So it says that it is the Cleansing Magic box for September 2020. This should have everything that I get, and then a bunch of subscriptions in it and what they can be used for. I do like getting these. It does help give you information. Some of them have rituals. So without further ado, let's jump in this box. It says right here that this is a Vatican calming tea. I mispronounced that. I guarantee it. I hope this is in a little pouch. I'm just going to rip straight across. I know I usually take more care, but I've got a lot to do today. So this is the tea. It smells like, it says caffeine-free blend, sweet and spicy herbs and fruits. I smell lavender. Let's see if there's any more description on this tea. Like lemongrass, tangerine, rosemary, sage. Not lavender. So it must be the lemongrass and rosemary and sage I'm smelling. I didn't smell much tangerine, but that's okay. Next item is a canvas pouch. It says curiosities on it. This is part of something, I guarantee it. I am going to go back and forth with a few of these items. You can put your tarot deck in here. You can put your spell candles, crystals. You can put a bunch of stuff in this. It's basically a carrying pouch. I actually don't use much of, I don't do a whole lot. I do like that it's really pretty pouch. So that's nice. The next item, let's go with the lapel pin that you get. This one is just a candle. And I also got an essential oil by Ancient. It's called Wisdom. It says Less Stress Blend. Lemon, sage, and lavender oils is what the notes are. Yep, straight up, it does smell like lemon. So that's nice. I do have a burner and everything. Let's see. There is an incense burner. That's nice. Ooh. I also have a witch bell. It does have like a pentagram carved into it. I don't know if you can see it, but that's nice. Maybe if I tilt it away from the light. No. Can't really see it. Oh well, it's there. It's actually right there, but no. No, it's just going to pick up on my hair today because it's so bright. And then there are 2 palm stones for centering and cleansing. You just put them in your palm. So that's neat. It does have like an informational thing to tell you how to do it. And then the rituals that are in here, there is a cleaning essentials. It's just a small, like, what you need, like your little candle and a stone, 1 incense rope, and this looks like black salt. So just your little essentials to do like a cleansing ritual or like on the go if you just need it. I look at it more like as a quick fix. And then this says pre-ritual cleansing. This is what you're supposed to do beforehand, is everything in this pouchette. I actually don't do rituals very often. So here's the instructions, what you'll need. What you chant and how you do it. Everything should be in here. Rosemary, dragon blood incense, and soft cloth. So here's my soft cloth, my incense, and my rosemary. And that is all that's in it. Actually, it's a pretty awesome box. A little light on the side this time. I mean, it's not, but it is. I do have my scroll down here. This always makes me feel important and witch-like. To get a little scroll that you unscroll. Here, let me pack everything back into this box. This has a lot of stuff in it for $45, so. And then you get your little scrolly scroll. So let me maybe I can just, nope, not gonna happen. There we go. Roll that back. Okay. So my scroll. And it talks about how to cleanse your space. I'm going to try to put it in the center of their smoke clearing and sound, salt, and crystals that you would use. So yeah, that's my witch casket for September. Now I will get mine for October, but it'll be later in the month. Other than that, I've gotten all my boxes. So if this looks appealing to you, the links are in the description. Like I said, I do like this box. This is only my second box of getting from them, but I have enjoyed them. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. I'm a little lot right now, but that will be all for this video, and I heart your face, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.